Hello?
Hey, where are you?
What do you mean? I fell asleep.
No, you were supposed to be here at 5.
Oh, was that today? I completely forgot. Is it too late?
No, okay, it's fine. You can still come.
Alright, I'll be there in a sec.
Okay, see ya. Are you struggling to understand real-life dialogues? I just launched a 31-day dialogue workshop where you can practice every single day. There's over 100 idioms and phrasal verbs. You can practice your speaking and your listening. And it's just really a great tool to help you to understand natives, to understand dialogues and conversations, and have fun while doing it. So check out the link in my bio for a special discount today.